In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and log in to Fiverr.com. Whether you're an experienced user or a newcomer, this guide aims to make your journey as smooth as possible. Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers offer a variety of services. So, let's dive in and get you logged in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Once it's open, you need to type in the URL bar, fiverr.com, and hit enter. That's going to bring you directly to Fiverr's homepage. Now, take a moment to look around. You'll notice the design is sleek and user-friendly, which can help in easily finding what you're looking for. Let's now head to the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see a button or link that says Sign In. That's your next destination. Click on it. Fiverr is quite accommodating when it comes to logging in, offering multiple methods for your convenience. You can sign in using your Google account if that's connected with your work or lifestyle. Otherwise, there's an option for email or username. Plus, if you're an Apple device user, you can opt for the Continue with Apple option. For those of you who prefer social media logins, there's also the option to continue with Facebook. So, choose the one that suits you best. If your choice was to sign in via email, you'll need to enter your login details now. Go ahead and type in your email address or your Fiverr username along with your password. It's always a good practice to ensure your password is correct and securely typed, especially if you're logging in from a public computer or network. Once you've entered your credentials, take a deep breath and click that Sign In button. This will complete the login process and grant you full access to your Fiverr account. You'll find yourself looking at your Fiverr dashboard, a hub for all your Fiverr activities, whether it's checking your messages, managing orders, or exploring new gigs. Hopefully, this tutorial has given you a clearer understanding of how to log into Fiverr efficiently. Whether you're hiring a freelancer or offering your own gig, having seamless access to your account is key. If you've followed along, you should be all set to explore the possibilities Fiverr has to offer. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have a productive experience on Fiverr.